Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Waraziman bin Wa'ad Razak, metric number AE20030. So now I will do circuit simulation for exercise 9, AC voltage measurement using oscilloscope, and I will do the simulation in the multisim. So for exercise 1, the first component that we need is the AC source. Next, the resistor. And the last one is variable resistor. So rearrange the component and connect all the components. So for the resistor, we set to 100 ohm. For the variable resistor, 1 kilo ohm. So just set to 100% to make it the value of the variable resistor to 1 kilo ohm. And for voltage, AC voltage, the RMS set to 14.6 and the frequency to 50 Hz. So that's the circuit. So for the measurement, choose the oscilloscope. First oscilloscope, second oscilloscope, and third oscilloscope. The first is to measure the voltage for AC source. So just connect it. Second one to measure the voltage at the 100 ohm resistor. And the third one is to measure the voltage at the variable resistor with 1 kilo ohm resistor. So that's the connection. And the last component is ground. Just connect it here and run the circuit. So just tap at the oscilloscope to view the graph. So just stop the simulation and adjust it. Adjust the graph. So that's it. So for the first graph, oscilloscope at SC1 for the AC source. To measure the voltage peak, just drag this to the peak, to the maximum of the graph. So that's the maximum peak voltage with 20.616 volt for the AC source. For the oscilloscope at SC2 for the 100 ohm resistor R1, same, just pull this and we find the maximum voltage that we can get. The maximum peak voltage we got 1.873 volt for 100 ohm resistor. And the last one for third oscilloscope for the variable resistor, just it, and we got the maximum peak voltage, we got 18.737. So that's all the simulation.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is and I will proceed with the activity 2. Same procedure as activity 1, but we must adjust the VR1 to the 200 ohm and record the voltage across VR1 and R1 by using the oscilloscope. Okay, so this is my simulation circuit by using multisim software. So I will press run. So as you can see here, how I connect this circuit, I just pick the oscilloscope from here, and then the multimeter from here, and the AC supply resistor from this button lah. Okay, so I have run my simulation. Okay, so the voltage of the VR1 we got SMM2 is equal to 9.732 volt, and for the SMM4, which is voltage of R1, we got 4.866. While as you can see here from the oscilloscope, the peak value is 6 VL. Peak voltage is 6.856 for the peak voltage for R1, while the peak voltage for VR1 I got 13.712 volt. So for the VRMS value, all of the, and then for the V peak to peak, just use the formula lah, and the frequency also period, the formula given. Alright, thank you.